Welcome everyone to this introduction to online business models. In today's digital world, businesses are no longer limited to physical stores or local markets. With just a computer and an internet connection, people can now build businesses that reach customers across the globe. This is why understanding online business models has become an important skill for modern entrepreneurs. An online business model explains how a digital business creates value, attracts customers, and generates revenue through the internet. Before starting any online venture, it is essential to understand how these models actually work. In this lesson, we will explore the foundations of successful online businesses. We will identify the characteristics that make online businesses successful and sustainable. We will also compare different types of online income streams available today. Finally, we will evaluate the potential returns of various online business approaches. Let us begin by understanding the key characteristics of successful online business models. One important characteristic is the ability to solve a clear problem or fulfill a specific need. Successful online businesses focus on providing value to a particular group of customers. Another important factor is scalability, which means the business can grow without dramatically increasing costs. Digital businesses often use technology and automation to serve more customers efficiently. This ability to reach a large audience with limited resources is one of the biggest advantages of online businesses. A strong online presence is another characteristic that contributes to success. Businesses build this presence through websites, social media platforms, and digital marketing strategies. Trust and credibility are also essential in the online environment. Customers are more likely to buy from businesses that provide reliable information and consistent customer support. Now that we understand the characteristics of successful models, let us look at different types of online income streams. One of the most common online business models is e-commerce. In this model, businesses sell physical products through online stores and deliver them directly to customers. Another popular option is selling digital products such as e-books, courses, or downloadable resources. Digital products can be created once and sold repeatedly without additional production costs. Affiliate marketing is another widely used online income stream. In affiliate marketing, individuals promote other companies' products and earn commissions from successful sales. Content creation has also become an important source of online income. People can earn money through blogs, videos, podcasts, and social media platforms by attracting large audiences. Freelancing is another online business approach where individuals offer professional services through digital platforms. Common freelancing services include writing, graphic design, programming, and digital marketing. Each of these models generates income in different ways and requires different levels of effort and investment. This leads us to the next important step, which is evaluating the potential returns of these business approaches. Some online business models can generate income quickly but may require continuous work. Freelancing is an example where income often depends directly on the number of clients and projects. Other models may take more time to build but offer long-term scalability. For example, digital products or content platforms can generate passive income once they become established. E-commerce businesses can generate high revenue but may require logistics, inventory management, and customer service systems. Affiliate marketing usually requires building an audience before consistent earnings begin. Therefore, choosing the right online business model requires careful evaluation of risks, effort, and potential rewards. Understanding these factors helps individuals make informed decisions when starting an online venture. Throughout this course, we will explore these online business models in greater detail. By the end of this learning journey, you will have a clear understanding of how different online business models operate. Stay connected with us. Thank you.